Third bit completed. Now we will discuss the fourth bit from exercise 1.1. What is the fourth bit? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First one, A. 25893 has. First, what is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 2 is in 10,000s, 5 is in thousands. Totally 25,893. That has dash thousands, dash hundreds, dash ones, dash 10,000s, dash tens. Okay, you have to fill these blanks. 25,893 has dash thousands, dash hundreds, dash ones, 10,000s and tens. So for that, observe the places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So first thousands. What is in thousands place? 5. So how many thousands? 5 thousands. Next one, hundreds. What is in hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So which is in hundreds means 8. 800. How many ones? Ones place. What is there? 3. So 3 ones. Next, 10,000s. 10,000s. What is in 10,000s? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there? 2. Next, tens. What is in tens? 9. A simple bit. Just write the places in this one. Okay. The textbook itself you have to write. Next one, B. It is given. Okay. Now first to dash hundreds. Next dash 10,000s. Dash tens. Dash thousands. Dash ones. Dash lakh. Okay, these are asked. First one, what is this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So 1 is in lakhs place. 1 lakh, 3, 8. Both are in thousands only. So that's why 38,609. 1,38,609. That is the number given. So just write them. Hundreds. What is in hundreds? Ones, tens, hundreds. 6 is in hundreds place. So 600. 10,000s. How many 10,000s are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Which is in 10,000s? 3. So 3 10,000s. Next tens. Ones, tens. 0 is in tens place. So write 0. Thousands. What is in thousands place? 8. Ones. So 9. Lakh. 1. Okay. That is the fill in the blanks. Third bit is there. Right? Next. Sorry, it is fourth bit. Now the fifth bit in exercise 1.1. What is the fifth bit? Write the standard numeral. Standard numeral in the following. Write the standard numeral in each of the following. First one, A plus 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 1. Okay, what is this first? This how much? 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So it is 10,000. That's why 30,000. Next one, 4,821. Okay, this is nothing but expand form. So write the number here. What is in ones place? 1 is in ones place. Next 20 means 2 is in tens place. 800, so 8 is in hundreds place. 4 is in thousands place and 3 is in 10,000s place. Directly write all of them. 1 is in ones place. 1. Next one, 2 is in tens place. 2. Next 8 is in hundreds place. 8. 4 is in thousands place. 4. And 3 is in 10,000s place. Okay, where you have to write comma? After hundreds you have to write a comma. So write a comma here. What is the number it is? 34,821. Okay, and second B. What is B? 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 6. It is given. How can you write? First one, 6. Only 6 means it is in ones place, nothing. And next, tens are not there. 10, 20, like the numbers are not there. So there is no number in which place? Tens place. So tens place, no number is there. That's why what you have to write? 0 in tens place. Next, hundreds. How many hundreds? 300. So 3 is in hundreds place. Hundreds completed. Thousands. 1000. What is there in thousands? 4. So 4,000. Next one, 10,000s. It is in 10,000. What is that? 5. 5 is in 10,000 place. So write the given blank. First 6 is in ones place. So write 6. 6 is in ones place. What is in tens place? Tens place, no digit is there. So write 0 in the tens place. Next hundreds. How many hundreds? 3. So 3 you should write it here. Next one, 4 is in thousands place. Write 4. And last 5 is in 10,000s place. Now where you have to write comma? Ones, tens, hundreds. After hundreds you have to write comma. So write comma here. What is the number? 54,306. That is the number. Okay. Write the remaining numbers, remaining 2 numbers in the 5th bit of first exercise. Now come to the 6th. What is 6th? Expand the given numbers. Expand the given numbers. It is the 6th bit. So what is the first number given? A 72,655. 72,655. It is the number given. We have to write the expanded form of this number. Expanded form. So to write the expanded form, we have to know the digits in places, each place. So in ones place, 5 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place, and 7 is in 10,000s place. Now start the expand form. What? 10,000s place plus thousands place plus hundreds place plus tens place plus ones place. Okay. What is in thousand, hundred, ones place? 5 is in ones place. So what is the place value of it? 5 only. 5 ones are 5. Next, 5 is in tens place. 5 tens how much? 50. So 5 tens are 50. That's why what is the number you have to write here? 50. Next, 6. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 6 hundreds. 600. Next one, 2 is in which place? Thousands place. 2 is in thousands. So 2000. Next one what? 7 is in 10,000s place. 7 tens. How much? 70. So what you have to write? 70,000. Okay now? Otherwise, after 7, how many numbers are there? 4. So write 4 zeros. After 2, how many numbers? 3. So 3 zeros. After 6, 2 numbers, 2 zeros. After 5, 1 number. So 1 zero. Last one is single. Okay. In that way, write the second one. What is the second one? 31,344 equals to 10,000 plus thousands plus hundreds plus tens plus ones. How I said? First, what is there? 3. So after 3, how many digits are there? 4. So after 3, write 4 zeros. Next one, 3 completed. 1 is there. After 1, 3 digits are there. So 1, 3 zeros. Next, leave. Now 3 is there. After 3, 2 digits. That's why what we have to write 3 zeros. Sorry, 3, 2 zeros. Next 4, 4. After 4, 1 digit is there. So write 40. And last 4 is there. Write 4. Okay. Complete the which bit? 6th bit. Complete the 6th bit also. Write the expanded forms. 5th bit is what? Write the standard form. If the expand form is given, you have to write standard numbers. And this is what 6th bit? 6th bit is what? Write the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay. And next 7th bit. Write the place value of the colored digit in each of the following. Write the place values. Write the place value of a colored digit in each of the following. So if you observe the textbook page number 10, that is 7th bit, that is 7th bit in exercise 1. In that 7th bit, one number is colored. So I am writing a underline for that in this. Which number is colored here? 2 is colored. Okay, what is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2 means? In which place it is? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So 2 is in hundreds place. That's why what is the place value? 200 is the place value of 2. Okay. 2 is in hundreds place. So 200. Next, B. What is B? 38691. Okay. 8 is underlined. Means 8 is colored. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 8 is in which place? Thousands place. So what we should write? 8,000. Okay. Next one. What is next one? See. 8237. 8,237. So 3 is colored here. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in which place? Ones, tens place. 3 tens. 3 tens are how much? 30. So that is the place value of 3. It is also a simple bit to write. Okay now. First 2 is here. So write 2. 2 digits are there, 2 zeros. Simply we have written. Next one, D. What is D? 3490. So 4 is colored. So 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. 4 is in which place means hundreds place. So what you have to write? 400. Okay, children. Like this. Complete which one? 7th bit in first exercise. Okay.